In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious balsamic vinaigrette with maple. This is one of my absolute favorite dressings and it's so healthy and easy to make. So we are going to start with a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to be putting this in a mason jar to combine. It's so easy. Then about 3 tablespoons of a nice quality thick balsamic vinegar. And then I'm going to put 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It's going to help the ingredients stay together. I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste. You can add however much you like. You can taste it, see if you want more. You can always add more. Then to make it a little bit sweeter, I am going to add a whole tablespoon of maple syrup. If you don't want it to be as sweet, you can use 1/2 tablespoon or even no maple syrup at all. Then all I have to do is put the lid onto my little mason jar here and give it a really good shake until all the ingredients are combined. You could blend this, but you honestly really don't need to. You can just shake it in a jar. And this serves 4 people, so this is perfect for 1 large salad. If you want more dressing, just simply double the recipe. And you can see how nice and thick and delicious that looks. That thick balsamic really does make a difference. But you can play around with this if you want to add some dried herbs to it. If you want to add some fresh herbs to it, that's going to be delicious. You know, you can make it your own. Some people like to use honey instead of maple syrup. It's whatever you want to do with this one. And this works great as a marinade as well. It's not just for salads. It's a really delicious marinade. And it's also super delicious on pasta salad as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.